Namaskar. Today I am going to tell you the concept of variables and constants in Python. I have come to Google Colab. Let me write the simplest line. Say x is equal to 10, right? Here 10 is the value and it is being stored in a memory location which I have named as x. Since this value can change during the course of program, I'll call this x as variable because in a new line I can also make this x as say 25. So this value has changed. If I print x now, 25 will be printed, and if I print x here, 10 will be printed. So I think this should be obvious to you, isn't it? Because the value of x is 10 here. So x is a memory location where 10 has been saved. And when I print this x, so obviously the value printed will be x. And now in the same memory variable, now I have put this 10 is also an integer variable. This 25 is also an integer variable. So x location will become a variable of type integer. For time being, this 10 has been printed, 25 has been printed. Even Python supports because automatic variable typing, which means if I put x is equal to say string 10, right? So string variable has come for the same variable. Just a minute. So I can print say I can print this x now, and when I print this, 10 will be printed. See, in all cases this is x only. So that's why now you can understand this how x is a variable, because I can have integer inside it, another integer inside it which is a changed value, or this time I have put a string here. Maybe I can put a value like 25.8 here. That means float can also be printed. So that means this variable can take any type and can have any value of the same type. Now this is clear because in other cases, in other programming languages, you declare type of the variable. But in Python, you straight away assign a value to a variable name, which is basically a memory location. Okay. Now, another thing I'll tell you here. Let me use another cell for it. Suppose I say the value of pi is 3.14159. Let me take this long value. And I can print this. I can print this as print pi. So when I run this program, this value will be simply printed. But I know that this value should not change. So this is a convention, although I can change this value. So but still this is supposed to be a constant by convention. And how this convention has been used, that I'll put this in capitals. The moment I give variable name in capitals, normally variable names are given in small. You can use capitals, but for constants, we always give in capitals. This is by convention. You can give it in small also, remember that. Right? Now, suppose a thing like max marks is equal to say 100. So this is also again constant by convention. During the course of the program, I am actually guiding the programmer not to change this value because this is constant. There is no constant declaration in Python. The constants are by convention only. In other languages there are const keywords, but in Python it is not there. So we have to follow convention carefully. So if I print say max marks, I'll straight away use this. So because I have given this in capital letters, so that is my convention of declaring constant type of things which are not supposed to be changed during the execution of program. Variables can definitely change whenever, whatever way required, and constants are not supposed to be changed. Let me ask AI, what are variables and constants in Python, right? So let Gemini do some working and give me a good answer. Meanwhile, you can revise this, that the variable can be changed of different type of value or even the same type of value. I have shown example of integer, float and string here, and constants are supposed to be remain same during the execution of program, and they are only by convention, right? So see, in this it has given me lot of information about variables and constants, and here he has given me examples. Python does not have a built-in mechanism to enforce constant, but by convention. Okay, so variables are names given to memory locations to store data. They can hold different types of data like numbers, text, and more complex structures. Later on, we'll store any kind of structure, maybe list, maybe tuple, maybe dictionary. So that is why we are just using the variables on the left side and right side the value for it when it is assigned. So I think you must be clear about variables and constant, isn't it? Tell me. Okay, you tell me in comments, because I also expect you to subscribe to this channel, like this if you really got some new information here. Thank you.